In this video, we'll be going over how to create a proposal template for retainer clients. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your process, this will be a quick and easy guide to help you create a proposal that gets results. Now, when you're working with retainer clients, having a solid proposal template is essential. It gives your clients clarity, sets expectations, and ensures you're both on the same page from the start. The good news is creating one doesn't have to be complicated. I've tried all the popular software for creating proposals, and today I'll give you an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using in the description below if you want to follow along. First, let's talk about the key sections you need in your retainer proposal template. Start with a brief introduction. This should include a summary of what the proposal is about, a bit about you or your business, and how you plan to help your client. The goal here is to build rapport and establish trust right off the bat. Next, define the scope of work. This is where you outline exactly what you'll be doing for the client and how long it will take. Break it down into phases or deliverables if possible. You want to be crystal clear about what's included so there's no confusion later. Keep it specific and try not to overwhelm the client with too much detail here. Then move to pricing and payment terms. For retainer clients, this is critical. Include your monthly fee, and if there are any additional costs, be upfront about them. Add payment terms when they're due, how they should pay, and any penalties for late payments. You don't want to be chasing money, so make this section clear and professional. After that, include a timeline. Even though retainers are ongoing, clients still appreciate knowing when they can expect milestones to be reached. For example, will they get monthly updates? Will they have regular meetings with you? Define the rhythm of your work and when the client can expect to see results. You also want to make sure to include your contact details and how they can reach you for any questions or clarifications. Communication is key, and this section makes it easy for them to stay in touch with you. Next, you should include a terms and conditions section. This could include a cancellation policy, any legal disclaimers, and other contractual elements that protect both you and your client. It's important to protect your time and your business with a solid agreement, even for a retainer. Once you've finished the main parts of your proposal template, it's time to add a call to action. This is where you prompt your client to sign the agreement, or at least start a conversation about the proposal. Make it simple and clear, with a next step they can take immediately. Now, the secret to creating a proposal template that works for retainer clients is customization. You want to create a template that's flexible enough to adjust for different clients, but still maintains consistency. The template should be professional, easy to navigate, and adaptable based on the client's needs. Remember, this proposal template is your chance to showcase your professionalism and the value you bring to the table. A well-crafted template can build trust and set the tone for a successful working relationship. Key takeaway: when creating a proposal template for retainer clients, focus on clarity, flexibility, and professionalism. Break down the scope of work, define pricing and payment terms, set a timeline, and always include a clear call to action. Quick revision: start with an introduction, define the scope of work, set clear pricing and payment terms, create a timeline, and include your contact details and terms. And don't forget, this software we'll be using for this process is available through an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel, so check the description for that link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.